Yeah, I wish I lived here.
Today I'm down here in Union Square, about to show maybe a couple of apartments by First Avenue. It's only about 3 avenues from the Union Square train station, which has access to basically all the trains you need to go to and from the city. Again, I just want to thank all those who subscribed in the past week. I mean, I had like 30 subscribers last week, and now I'm at 60, which is insane. I didn't think it was going to pick up that much, but I just want to give you a thank you and appreciate the likes and all the comments. Do my best to respond to those as well. So basically it's off 14th Street right here and right off of Union Square. I'm on, what is it, 2nd Avenue, 14th Street. There's just so much going on here, honestly. There's no reasons why you would be staying home if you're living in this apartment. You got KFC, Tio Pio, which is probably like Pio Pio, it's a good chicken. You got like literally 99-cent pizza everywhere. Right there, baby. IHOP. That is the reason to move here. I mean, as you can tell, a lot going on here. But yeah, there's so many shops, so many restaurants.
Yeah, we know people.
So I found the spot that I'm picking up the keys. It's over here on First Avenue, and wish me luck. Hopefully they have some apartments I can check out. Let's see what happens. We got the keys. So this is kind of like the center area where people just chill, relax, and they got like a gym here. This dude's doing his pull-ups, trying to get ripped for summer. Yeah, they got everything out here. It's kind of like a court or a square, and you're kind of surrounded by all the units over here. It's very peaceful, it's really quiet. If you're like a European and you love squirrels for some reason, you got a lot of them around here running, so you'll love that. But it's a nice area. And you got First Avenue right over here to the north, I believe. And honestly, there's so much around here. You can't go wrong with this area.
Yeah, I wish I lived here.
So let's just start off with the craziest thing about this apartment is the closet space. It's got 4. 1, right when you walk in. 2, literally right next to the bathroom, I guess for all of your toiletries. It is pretty massive. 3, in the bedroom, literally right next to the door that you enter from. And 4, a big walk-in. This is a true New York City walk-in. I mean, this is nuts. I can charge rent on this walk-in. It's insane. 18 feet by 10 feet. That's the size of this bedroom. So once you're done in your little fortress of solitude here in this giant 1-bedroom, you've got the bathroom right here. You're greeted by a pretty big bathroom. I mean, you have 3 medicine cabinets. Look at that, it's giant with this really nice vanity light. Light in here is really good. You do have a window right here to ventilate. You even have like a little shelf right here if you want to put any of your, hair supplies, shampoos, whatnot. And the vanity itself is a decent size. I mean, that's just for show. Again, this is just a model, so obviously you can't really show anything, but all these are replicas of basically all the units in the building. This kitchen, man, oh, this kitchen. It has so much cabinet space. Like, who even needs this much cabinet space? If you're one person living here, this is just obnoxiously like too much. I mean, that gives you every reason to go to Trader Joe's and just buy the store out and just fill it up for months, you know? If you are a cook or someone who thinks they're a cook like myself, there is a lot of countertop space here. There's even a freaking nook right here. I mean, a nook where you can like literally put your cutting boards, whatever it is that you're prepping. You can literally have a little 360-degree angle here, wash your hands, stay in the nook. And my favorite part is that you have the window right here. You can see basically out into the street. Again, we're on the 6th floor. If your Amazon guy is delivering your package, you can see him coming up. You see if he's kicking it around, if he's had a bad day, because let's face it, we've seen those videos on YouTube. You ain't fooling us. And again, you got the dishwasher. You've got, again, gold standard New York City, in my opinion, having a dishwasher, especially if you're a cook. That's awesome. Big fridge, stainless steel, and stainless steel microwave, and stainless steel oven. So really, the kitchen is, to me, probably one of the better selling points of this apartment. Oh yeah, and who am I kidding? It's got a sink sprayer. If you follow Cash Jordan, you'll understand. And that leads us right back to the dining room area where you can comfortably seat 4 people. And again, you have lounge chairs to make this your own. You know, you don't have to set it up like this. This is just a furnished unit to show what space you can put on this. The only gripe I do have about this apartment is that it doesn't have an in-unit washer or dryer. I don't know what the price point is. I'm definitely gonna put it down somewhere here on the bottom once I find out what it is. So that concludes my tour of this 1-bedroom apartment here in Stuytown. If I had one word to sum it up, I would just say extra. I mean, again, I just compare myself and my living conditions to this, and I have like 3 tiny closets, no dishwasher, none of these, you know, extra amenities. And the fact that they give you a walk-in closet right next to a pretty decent sized closet. If you are interested in this apartment though, you can reach me directly. You can send me a message. I'll put my personal information down below the video. But again, this was just a tour of a furnished apartment, just basically a mock apartment to show what the idea of it is and what it looks like once you do furnish it.